Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you a day in my life. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever because I actually haven't vlogged since I got back from Dominican Republic. On my last vlog I mentioned that I was going to Dominican Republic for 10 days. It was kind of like a spontaneous family get-together slash reunion. My grandfather wanted to go to Dominican Republic since he hasn't been in like 8 years, so we just decided to all travel over there and spend some family time. Eric did go and I did try to vlog, so I have some footage that I will try my hardest to like edit and hopefully make it a good fun vlog, even though I was trying to just like fully enjoy my time there with my family and Eric being there for the first time. He has been to Punta Cana but not like DR, so I was excited to show him around. He was only able to be there for like 3 days because of work, so I stayed a couple more days, and then when I got back I was here for like 3-4 days, and then we flew straight to Florida to visit his family because we haven't seen them in like 5 months, and it was his niece's birthday. With all of that being said, I did get tested like 6 times, 3 for each to be honest. So yes, all safe here, and we were all being safe throughout the entire travels. But I am just trying to catch up on life right now and stay organized and basically plan out my month and get some work done. All right, so while I was away, I actually got an amazing package from Saks of Fifth, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the things that I got. Today's video is sponsored by Saks of Fifth, which is truly a dream come true. I cannot believe, first of all, the items that I got, and they're actually having an amazing sale right now, so you will get 25% off any purchase over $150, which is amazing. So let me show you guys the things that I got. All right, you guys know that I love my neutrals, so this is my spring outfit that I picked out from Saks of Fifth. First, starting off with this beautiful white flowy top. It has like some nice details on the shoulders. I will be trying all of this on after I show you guys all the items. So this one is $69.99 and it was originally $195. To go with it, I got this beautiful pair of light wash jeans from 7 For All Mankind, which is my first time trying out any of their jeans, and my first impression, honestly, the quality is amazing. I got it in a size 27. I should have definitely sized up, but it does fit really nicely. I then got a pop of color, and I got my very first Valentino bag. So they have many different ones, and I decided to go for the pop of color. I feel like this is going to be a great addition to my spring and summer wardrobe, and you can also wear this all year round. Obviously I see it with like an all black outfit as well for the fall time, but yeah, it's like so beautiful and really spacious. Oh, and it has like these really pretty tassels. So now for my shoes, I got these from Steven, and these are just, you know, a typical white pair. And then last but not least, for accessories, I got these beautiful earrings. That's what these look like. So I'm now going to try all of it. All right, so this is the entire look together. I honestly take back the sizing reference of the jeans because I love the way these fit. It's a little high-waisted, and I also like the wash and the rib detail that it has. Obsessed with the bag. This is going to, I'm serious, like I'm going to be wearing this all spring and summer. And then this top is really beautiful. You can also tuck it in if you want, to give it more of a cinched look. And for the shoes, these are so comfortable. Like, I am truly obsessed. And then for the earrings, how stunning are these? I just love the dainty look of it. The entire look came out to be so affordable, so I highly recommend for you guys to check out Saks of Fifth. I'm going to try to link everything below for you so you can shop with me. On a few fashion hauls, I've mentioned how I've been wanting to upgrade my wardrobe and honestly just get better quality pieces, and Saks of Fifth is the best place to get it because you're going to find amazing sales. So if you are in the hunt to upgrade your wardrobe, I highly recommend to check it out. They have so many brands and so many amazing pieces at a great price. With that being said, on a previous vlog I did mention that I want to declutter my closet, so I'm definitely going to start getting rid of items that aren't necessarily the best quality or items that I no longer see using. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of that right now and just start basically just downsizing for quality over quantity. Honestly though, this is such a beautiful bag. My closet, however, a hot mess. I really need to organize and declutter. I want to spring clean soon, so hopefully I'll film a dedicated video on that. But I also want to just start, you know, downsizing on stuff that I no longer use. Like for example, this cropped sweater. I don't think I'm going to be using this, so I'm going to be adding it to my donation pile. I also have this black one right here, which was part of a PR, but I know for a fact I won't use this. So another one. Things are so tight in here that I honestly don't even know what I have anymore. And my coats, I want to flip to this side or like over here so I can have my summer to be the centerpiece now that the spring and summer is coming. I also need to declutter my sweatpants and like organize that as well. What else can I downsize on? I have some like turtlenecks that I got super cheap that I might get rid of because they have rips on them, like this one. I think there was another one that had a rip as well, but I don't remember which one. Probably the orange. Oh baby, look at that. Yep. Also have some of these guys right here that I know for a fact I need to declutter. But yeah, I'm going to just do this a totally separate day because there's so many things to do in the apartment. But like I mentioned, make sure to check out Saks of Fifth and the items that I ended up picking out. I'll be linking everything down below for you guys, and take advantage of their 25% discount code on any purchase over $150. All right, I actually have to admit the apartment isn't so bad because Eric was like, you know, staying on top of it. But I have some brushes here that I need to clean, my breakfast stuff that I need to put in the dishwasher. I also have to take or clean out the clean dishes, like take out the clean dishes and put the dirty ones in there. The living room isn't so bad. I was crocheting right over there, so I need to put that aside. I've mentioned before how I really love putting a fireplace in my TV because it truly sets the mood and just makes your day a lot more relaxing, I feel. And today is so gloomy out that, you know, it just calls for it. Now, the one room that it's always messy goes to my office. I got so many packages while I was away, and I also did laundry. Oh, I have to fold some laundry as well that's in the dryer. But yeah, this room is just something else. I've been decluttering like crazy here. I organized my nail polish rack by brand and then by color, and you guys know that I have been loving my 10 free nail polishes just because they have honestly transformed my nails. And lastly, painted my nails one of these beautiful yellows from 10 free. This one right here, which is called Oopsie Daisy. It's like such a beautiful pale yellow tone. But I do need to paint my nails again, so we'll do that. I don't know if today, maybe tomorrow, but all of these I am going to be getting rid of, so I have to put it aside. I moved my perfumes from over there, so now I don't know where I'm going to put stuff. But yeah, I need to. And also, my calendar still says February and it's like mid-March. So I'm doing that today for sure. Oh, I have a new favorite plant, you guys. So this little guy was actually dying on me because I was keeping it in my kitchen where there's not really much light. And she's thriving here. Like, she has so, I'm not kidding, she only had 5 pepperonis. Like, she only had 5 of these, and every single day she would lose one. So, you know, she's just like thriving here. And she grows 2 a day. Like, that's a little baby growing. I need to put moisturizer on my hands, my God. This one, you know, she's my favorite for sure. Like, I don't want to yell it, but she's top 5. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I trimmed the twins. So I cut them. These were like so long up to here, and then I just trimmed them and I'm going to be making more plants because why not? Okay, so I put some comfy clothes on and I'm now going to start prepping and planning for the month because I've been away for like half of it and I still have February on my calendar. So I'm going to plan my month of March or the rest of March and also start writing down some ideas for future videos because honestly I just need to stay more organized and more on top of content. I feel like I haven't been as active here on YouTube, especially just like uploading different type of content aside from vlogs. So I'm going to be putting on a list of videos to film. So I'm going to get the things that I need to start planning my month correctly. All right, so let's get to it. So I cleaned it up with just a microfiber cloth and a multi-surface cleaner, but for my planner I personally prefer visually seeing my days. So I have a dry erase board. I'll link this down below. It's from Amazon. I also pick out some dry erase markers for the month, normally things that like would match the themes. So March, for example, it's St. Patrick's Day, so I'm going to make it like a green vibe. And then I have here some journals / notebooks to write my plans for the month. So let's get to it. Just finished organizing and planning for the month and I am really hungry now. So I'm going to try to find something in the fridge. I don't want to make anything, but I have been trying out some frozen food and basically just like a meal company that I will be sharing with you guys really soon. And I have an extra meal that I'm going to be heating up and eating because I've genuinely have been loving it. So I can't wait to show you guys the company that I'm working with soon. Gonna have some lunch and watch some TikToks as I eat and then get back to organizing. Just finished eating. I'm honestly enjoying those meals so much because you just put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and it's like delicious quick meals that I don't even have to stress it. So it's perfect for my everyday to day life where I don't have the time or creativity to create meals during the afternoon. But yeah, I'm now going to start organizing and decluttering this room because it's a hot mess. Let's show you. All right, finally done cleaning this hot mess. Honestly, I wish it could stay like this forever. Eric is about to pick me up to run some errands. I need to go to Michael's and get some art supplies, but I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Saks of Fifth. I'm going to be linking it down below as well as everything that I shared on today's try on haul. Definitely check out their spring collection because they have so many items, and also take advantage of their 25% off any $150 purchase. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye.